Hello and welcome once again. And so today we are basically making skin brightening and lightening cream, and all the ingredients are very light, and they will give you a nice glow and an even skin tone. And we have these ingredients. We'll be using 3 whitening capsules. They are available from any store these days. 2 vitamin E capsules, half teaspoon of aloe vera gel, half teaspoon glycerine. Kelly Pearl cream I have used, and I've noticed that by using this particular cream the results are really good, and in 7 days you can see the results. Or you can use any other beauty cream, and a few drops of almond oil. These are optional. I haven't added because my skin these days is very oily, so if for somebody has very dry skin they can add almond oil. Or if you're using this cream in winters, you can definitely add 2 to 3 drops of almond oil. And another ingredient that I've added is golden pearl whitening serum, and it's again optional. If you have it you can add it, otherwise you can also skip it. So let's start. I'll start by basically adding these whitening capsules. So I have taken around 4. You can take 3 capsules. You are simply going to cut it from the edge, and this white creams come out. And in the same way you can add all the capsules in a container. After that I'm going to be adding these vitamin E capsules. These are also known as brightening capsules. It's totally up to you. These are in different colors, different shapes, so from different stores they are available. So I have added 2 of them. Now I'm going to be taking this aloe vera gel, half teaspoon. And then I'm going to add glycerine, again half teaspoon. Then here we have golden pearl whitening serum. I have added 2 to 3 drops. It's totally up to you if you want to add more, and again this is optional. Finally, the Kelly Pearl cream I have used. You can use, I have already told you, any pearl cream or any beauty cream. Also you can use Fair and Lovely. There are so many creams available, but this is the most effective one, as I've already told you, and you are going to see the results within 7 days. And the best thing about this cream is that you can equally use it for your hands, for your feet, for your face. It's equally good. So I am simply going to mix it until it's well combined. Because these days it's very hot, the weather is very humid, so simply I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a good mix, and after mixing it I'm going to preserve it in a container, and that container I am going to place it in a fridge, and I'll keep it in fridge. Why? Because the weather it's really very hot and humid. So that's how we are going to mix it all together, and we are going to refrigerate it. And I was telling you that it's equally good for your face, for your hands, for your feet, and you are generously going to apply it, and you are going to see the results in 7 days. Your dark spots are going to be reduced, even skin tone problem is going to be resolved, and you will have a brighter and a glowing complexion. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to preserve this cream in the same container from where I took out the cream. And finally this is going to the fridge. So after almost half an hour, this cream is set and its consistency is really good. You can preserve it for days and use it for best results at night. Simply apply the cream generously and keep it overnight, and in the morning wash your face with any good face wash. And I hope you'll enjoy making this and using it, and you'll see the results in 7 days. I'll see you next time. Bye.